Hello everyone! Today we're going to explore the Wix platform and go through all its features that will be useful for completing your assignment. First, we need to go to the Wix website and sign up using your Google account or any other email. After logging in, we see the website setup panel. Here, the first thing we need to do is create our page. Wix will suggest different template options, but if you prefer, you can also build your website from scratch. To start working with templates, first choose the one you like the most. Once we have selected a template, we can start customizing it as we like. On the left side, there is a navigation bar with all the tools you need to work on your site. The site is divided into sections, so we can work step by step. Let's start with the tabs. To create a navigation bar, you need to click on the Pages button. Here you can add new pages, rename them, or delete any page you don't need. If you decide to build your website from scratch, click on the Add Elements tab and type Header in the search bar. Then you can choose the design you like, place it anywhere on the page and adjust its size as needed. Be very careful when creating your navigation bar, because the home page must give access to all your assignments. If you want to create a separate page for assignments with button for navigation, you first need to create an assignment page. Then design individual pages for each assignment. On the assignment page, add buttons that link to each separate task. Don't forget to hide those assignment pages from the main navigation menu, and in the button settings, select the corresponding assignment page. When you finish, everything should look something like this. Make sure to check that all the buttons work correctly. When you create pages for your assignments, you can add new sections and customize them however you like. While working on the sections, you can change the text, font, background color, and more. When completing your assignments, you will often need to insert photos and videos. These are also found in the Add Elements section. Just type images or video in the search bar. After adding these elements, you can upload the required file directly from your computer. Since all your videos will be uploaded on YouTube, select the element with the YouTube icon and paste the link to your work. It will automatically appear on your site. If you want, you can add a form to your footer. Click Edit and the settings for the footer will open separately. After that, you can add all the questions and fields you need. Finally, save the footer and select it in the Settings section. When you finish working on your website, the last step is to save and publish it. Once you click Publish, your website domain will appear. Copy the link and check it before submitting. If everything works correctly, congratulations, you've created your very own website.